I just bought these 2 large and 2 small flower vases with artificial flowers. Let me show you how perfect they are for any home decor and why I love them. Filling the vases with the artificial flowers is so easy. You just place them right on top. You can also use this for real flowers or plants. And this is how the vases will look together. I love the larger one and the smaller one next to each other because it adds so much depth and dimension to my table, and it just looks so beautiful. I really love these vases and the artificial flowers. They transform any space into an elegant area, and they're perfect for so many occasions. You can use them as planters, decorations for weddings and parties. The gold color is really beautiful. It's not too shiny but not too matte. It's just what I need in my apartment. I even put them on my fireplace and it looks amazing. So if you're looking for flower vases, I think you're really going to enjoy these as much as I do.